Good afternoon, friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the most important topic, and the name of this topic is music. Yes, friend, you have heard this name many times, and you should also regularly listen music in your life. But now we should understand what type of music means can changes your life on daily basis. We can say that music has no universal language, but it is more above the universal language. What can create music? Music can create different country, different religion, different nation, and music has one quality, that is the universal music that can connect people across all the globe. So we should discuss about the means advantage and disadvantage of music, what type of benefit we have seen from the music. Okay, first of all, we should understand that music is not a type of listening only in the song. Music can get a different type of benefit. For example, if the person is feel depressed, anxiety, worry, so if the person is listening the music, so his anxiety is also reduced, he feel positivity, and his peace is also increased. And we also find out that doctor is also suggest that if the person is means lots of anxiety and stress and in the great depression, so if the person is uh, taken the musical therapy, so it will help really to remove his anxiety and depression, and his condition will be restored very much faster as compared to the medicine. And when you listen a single song, it will also motivate you, and it will also come back to your life, that you have means you have any type of setbacks and any type of failure you have suffer from it, that music is help to means uh, recover from your life. Okay, now in the uh, current period 2026, we can say that it is very uh, easily accessible to music. We can use music anytime, anywhere from our mobile. And there is also many type of streaming platform is also available in India and world, where we can listen music and we can reduce our anxiety. And third important thing is that when we listen music, and it can give us instant release of dopamine. Dopamine is the means mind or mental chemical which can get help to relax, and we feel happy. And for example, we have seen that in the case study, there are the lots of athletes, cricketer, who have the international pressure when they play for their nation. So before going to the match, they are listening the music, and the research said that they are listening the music which can provide them peace and calm. I am not saying that you should listen the music which is very loudly and which can provide an a means motivate you to do the violence. Here we are talking about the music which is Sufi music, and which is provide peace and relaxation. And apart from that, we have seen that in if you're talking about the ancient world, we have seen that music is the vital part of our society. Means we should use music in our wedding, national festival, and any type of family event. And the we can say that ancient India means there are the lots of kingdom like Maurya kingdom, Prithviraj Chauhan. These are the means kings who always promote music, and they do lots of means motivation and encouragement to the music. So in the short we can say that music is the thing that can change our life, and it became a vital part and very important for us. So in the short we can say that if the person is not feeling well and he is feeling sad, so he should listen music regularly, so his stress and anxiety reduce. And the second thing is that for music there is a one important thing is that it can give an a two-way benefit. For example, if the listener who is listening the music means there is a many type of platform like Geo Music and Spotify and Audible, means where the singer and musician can compose their music and they release their music on that type of platform, and the listener also listen this music and get some type of relaxation. So thank you very much friend for giving your time. So this is the very short video I have made regarding the importance of music. So if you have any type of problem in your life, and there is a life in your field failure, setback, or any type of problem, so you should start listening music 10 to 15 minutes. And one thing I want to tell you that that is the disclaimer for my side, that research also said that if you listen the music at the higher sound and you are using the Bluetooth headphone and earphone, it can also damage your ear. So if your ear is damaged, so it is not repairable and it is not restored at your life. So make sure that you should, whenever you should listen music, you should always use the volume only 50%, not use the 100%. And whenever you should means increase the speed of music, then you seen the notification is also came that listening music at full speed, it can damage your ear. So I requested you that if you use your mobile without the earphone, without the headphone, so it is well and good. But if you not able to use, so you should use with the volume of only 30 to 40% for the longer way. Thank you very much friend for giving your quality time. Have a nice day, and we will meet definitely very soon with new topic and some new knowledge. Goodbye.